Create a folder, Python underscore basics. Navigate to this folder and open this path in command prompt. Type code space dot to launch Visual Studio Code. Create a file. I'll name this first program.py. Python files would end with the extension .py. Let's try to print a message hello world. In order to do that, we have a function called print and we can pass our message to this print function. Save this file, open the terminal, use the command py followed by file name first program.py. So you will see the message hello world printed in the console.